Canned whole peeled tomatoes is what's gonna make this entire dish so simple. Meet my basil plant. He's not supposed to live this long, and he's almost died like 4 times. I just keep forgetting to water him. But he's okay. My dad potted him, so he should live for a little bit longer, but we're gonna use him. Hopefully he does not die when he's right there. They're pretty dramatic. Let's start. Number 1, start your pasta. Now we're gonna chop the onion. How to cut an onion the easiest way. So you see how the onion has like a root area and like the top? This isn't gonna stabilize the onion, but the entire onion is held from here. We're gonna cut this part off, but we aren't gonna cut this because this is gonna what stabilize our onion for when we are cutting it. Now we're gonna cut it right down the middle, keeping this here. In a pot over medium heat, add in olive oil, your onion, and garlic. Let this sit and simmer for a few minutes. Once it is simmering, add some red pepper flakes. I'm just gonna add some spice, add a lot if you like. While that is simmering, it's a good time to clean up. And about the red pepper flakes, do you guys actually like spice when it comes to your food, or do you guys just like not like spice at all? It really depends when it comes to spicy food, especially for me. Sometimes I can deal with spice, and most times I can't, especially if it's super spicy. But the red pepper flakes here adds a good flavor, a good kick. But it's not overpowering. If you want it to be overpowering, add some more. But when you are cooking, never forget to clean up, because keeping your kitchen clean and your system clean makes things 10 times better. And easier. I meant easier. Okay, we carry on. Make sure you continue to stir this often. You don't want this sitting for too long. And if needed, add more oil. Now it is time to add our tomatoes. To get the leftover sauce in the can, swish some water in there and just pour it in. Oregano. Add a lot if you like. In this house, we love oregano. Salt. And pepper. Mix this up. Put the lid on and allow it to cook. Now we need to allow it to simmer so we can actually start mashing it up and creating our marinara sauce. Our pasta water is almost to boiling point, and we can almost put it in our pasta. And one more thing. We're a family that focuses heavily on protein. Usually a dish like this you would use beef or ground beef, but we don't have ground beef, and we're gonna have to cook our chicken on its own. So I'm gonna cook a little bit of this that my siblings can add to their dish and actually can have some protein in their dinner. This is hands down one of the best things I've ever made. This you have to go try right now. Don't walk, run to your kitchen. And the chicken I told you guys about. Gotta get our protein. To die for. To die for. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Really hope you go try this. It is super easy and so delicious overall. Not complex to make. Like I said, don't walk, run to your kitchen, make this tonight. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe. Helps me a lot with making more videos just like this. And make sure you type in the comments whatever your thoughts, ideas, let me know down below. Recipe will be linked in the description, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
Little brothers.
Sure. Thank you. I'm gonna have to mark that out. Focus on this next jar. What is this? Can.
Can.
Stop. That's copyright. I can't post that.
Depressurize.
Because it's in a jar. Can't. I keep saying jar.
You used that song before we did.
Not my long form.
Oh.
Now, we need that to simmer a little bit to allow it to soften the tomatoes and to actually... Ma!